best things I ever did for my entire home is today's challenge. On day 24 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge, we are going to swish and swipe our bathrooms. You might be wondering, if you've never heard of this before, it is something that will absolutely change the tone of your home and the cleanliness of your bathroom. Literally, your bathroom will look spotless every single day, and it will only take 2 minutes. Okay, well, maybe the first time it might take a little bit longer, but after that, it just takes 2 minutes or less per bathroom. I only have one bathroom, so for me it just takes 2 minutes, but if you have like a ton of bathrooms, I still recommend doing this. You will see drastic results. So this habit is called the daily swish and swipe. You get a microfiber cloth and any spray cleaner that you feel comfortable using in your bathroom. You spray the sink and you wipe it down. You spray the tub and you wipe it down. And finally, you spray the toilet and you wipe it down. And for the inside of the toilet, you will get the scrub brush and brush it inside. And we're doing this every single day. It's going to look like you don't need to do it because obviously it will be clean, but if you keep doing this every single day, it will make deep cleaning a whole lot easier, and every single day your bathroom will look spotless. While I'm doing the sink, I also take the opportunity to remove some toothpaste splatters if there are any. I super recommend doing this. It only takes a couple of extra seconds and it leaves a huge impact. I like to do my swish and swipe in the morning. Some people might like to do it in the evening. I prefer to do it in the morning just so the toilet is nice and fresh the whole entire day, and I do this every single morning. Once again, it doesn't take more than 2 minutes per bathroom, and it may even take less. Our habits so far have been dressing to shoes, doing a 2-minute hot spot, a 5-minute room rescue, a cleaning mission, making our beds, a 15-minute email declutter, a load of laundry, checking your control journal. In the afternoon, be sure to start your dinner, do a 15-minute declutter, a 15-minute rest, check that control journal. In the evening, shine your sink, get your clothes, check your calendars and your control journals, and be sure to get to bed on time. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 25 of the FlyLady 31 Baby Step Challenge. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.